Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-9120CN printer driver and download and installations. Okay, so first guys, use always official website support.com. Okay, use to any browser, search on Google and then come to this website support.brother.com. Then different OS also there, Windows, Linux, mobile also. So select the Windows and select the operating system, Windows 11. It's Windows 10 32 64 bit also there, server also there, all servers, Windows all servers there. Okay, and then select the operating system, then click to OK, and after that it will open this page. So first is driver with the software. Okay, and this is only driver and fill this local only. Okay, click on it. Otherwise you can select this one, printer driver. Okay, English, select the language, slow down and accept and download. After that it will start downloading and show the folder. After that it will open these locations where it is downloaded, then right click to open it and then click on more options and then run away. Then same locations. So after that it will create a new folder ing. Okay, just open it. This is actually your driver, this is your printer driver. Close it and then click to start and then setting, then computer and device and printer and scanner, then click on add device. So after that it will open the manual options. You can see the manual option within 5 seconds and then select this. Then different way to install it, local printer network, manual, Bluetooth option, wireless, IP address, and then select this, then next, have disk, click on browse. Okay, after that come on this locations where it is downloaded. So open this, select this INF file and then click on open, then click to OK. After that it will open the some printers. So now you find out your printer 9120, so 9120CN. Okay, yeah, this one. Then next, now this is installing. Okay, so it is complete, then next, finish it. Now you can see this is your printer is installed. Okay, yeah, and before print need to restart your system and your printer also. After that you can click to test print and it will come and then you can see. Thank you guys.